Hello and welcome to Accenture On Air Digital Transformers podcast series. Change is everywhere around us, it is part of our everyday life. Technology evolves rapidly in the industry sector, and innovation around connectivity, artificial intelligence and machine learning offer new possibilities around manufacturing and process control. This podcast series will involve industry experts, leaders in strategy, business intelligence professionals and innovation, and change creators. We will discuss delivering digital transformation at speed, scope and scale, addressing the most complex and critical challenges by using the right technology and accelerating change across enterprise. My name is Marinel Moraru, and I'm an expert in industrial connectivity and process control. I will be your host for this show. In the previous episode, we discussed about the digital factory and what is required to achieve this level. Today, we are continuing the discussion with a very special use case, an example, the Arctic washing machine factory in Ulmi, Romania, that has been recognized by the World Economic Forum as one of the 44 Lighthouse factories in the world. Arctic collaborated with Accenture and created this state-of-the-art plant that incorporates Industry 4.0 requirements. For today's discussion, together with my colleague Mihai Samanta, I have invited a special guest. Turgay Öztürk is the CIO of Arctic. So, Turgay, as you were part of this project from the beginning, how do you see this roadmap from idea to working system?
Everything started from a need, the one of increasing the capacity of washing machines. And we went even further. And we imagined a new factory, a greenfield factory. SAP management vision was to extend the operation in Romania and implement the latest technology in this new factory. A lighthouse for existing and future possible Arçelik factories. We took this as an opportunity to realize one of the milestones of Arçelik digital manufacturing transformation that will allow us to experience data-driven working methodology. Also, data analytics and smart actions based on data analytics was another strong motivation for us. Starting from this idea, we searched on the market for biggest consultancy companies, and we had some workshops with some of the best institutes like Fraunhofer, Boston Consultancy, GE, on how we can build and implement combination of top-notch new technologies aligned with top management vision into this new factory. After we knew what we wanted to build, we chose the tool, and after that we decided upon the implementation partner that was going to help us transform the vision into reality. We started to prepare a book of the factory before the factory was even built. In this book, we clarified all the processes, infrastructure, equipment, and configuration in detail. We contacted our equipment suppliers and presented our vision and defined our expectations to have the latest technology available so that to be able to communicate with the rest of the system. Together with our technical experts from Arçelik and Accenture, we started the blueprint phase where we planned all the future processes of the factory. In this phase, we also discussed on how to communicate and integrate the machines from the shop floor with the new system. Then the physical construction started, and all the equipment were installed and made the integration between them and MES. After the production started, we had 6 months for testing and improvement. In first month, we had around 10,000 produced units, and now we produce almost 10 times more.
Yeah, super, thank you. My second question is, how does Arctic Factory really stand out?
Arctic Factory really stands out with its expertise and level of digitalization, Marinel. It was built with the combination of lean manufacturing and connected systems. From design to realization, every step was planned and executed carefully. So it's not only the Lighthouse factory, it's also the most efficient factory in the group in terms of productivity, cost, and quality. These achievements were also recognized and evaluated by several global organizations, like World Economic Forum recognized Arctic Ulmi factory as an advanced fourth industrial revolution Lighthouse network member. Arctic was also ranked top at the IDC CIO Award and took first place in the Future of Work category. Ulmi factory has been selected as the gold winner of the SAP Quality Award in the innovation category in Turkey.
Besides being an outstanding professional achievement, it also provides a bird's eye view of all the integrated systems. I mean, it is one thing to work on a small part and don't see all the connecting points involved, than to be able to see such a project come to life. Mihai, how is it to work on such a digital project?
It has been great. And all of this was made possible due to Artic's goal to quickly transform its core production and manufacturing capabilities with intelligent automation and drive innovation as a true digital enterprise. A challenge that we have gladly accepted. Making just incremental changes, it wasn't enough for Artic, as it aimed to do more by creating a plant that would serve as a beacon for the industry and enabler for digital transformation. It had massive production lines and shifted from a workflow-driven to a data-driven manufacturing, promised enhanced efficiency and product quality. With a digitized and automated plant floor, Artic could experiment with exciting new technologies that reduces cost, increases efficiency, and enhances performance visibility. Modernizing manufacturing processes also offered significant business opportunity for creating connected products from design to consumer services. It has been an exciting journey to be part of this massive digital project that Artic started in Ulmi, near Turgay Öztürk, Romania, where our team of experts have focused on Artic need to launch production operations on a challenging timeline for its newly built washing machine factory. Right from the beginning, we worked on site alongside the newly built plant operational management team, and this enabled us to quickly capture firsthand any issues that threaten to derail the solution timeline delivery, working with a myriad of equipments and service suppliers. Specialists from Accenture's network Industry X Innovation Centers in Cluj, Romania, and Modena, Italy, Finland, and Turkey work with Artic to blueprint and implement an SAP-based manufacturing execution system. The Accenture team also created a technology layer that integrated the solution with the company business systems, machinery, so that they can share data and speak the same language. An Internet of Things solution linked with the company enterprise resource planning system, manufacturing equipments, warehouse management, automated warehouses, and material distribution system and other IT systems. We also designed easy-to-use dashboards to display near real-time data from the solution, company systems, and shop floor machinery. In total, we have integrated more than 250 shop floor machines and 14 different IT and business systems. The team standardized the machine integration messages and created a library so that the company can reuse them like building blocks for other SAP MES integration projects. The digital solution is changing also the way people work and the culture. The new solution enabled Artic to better match jobs and skills, improving efficiency and worker experience. Most workers use a tablet connected to the company intranet and a new manufacturing system to consult work orders and build instructions in real time. For example, Christy, a production manager, used to request production status updates several times a day from the production shift leader. With the new system, he can review updates in real time on his laptop or tablet without having to ask anyone for a status update. Workers can also call for support, report problems, and send feedback about speed, quality, and pack times. Plant workers can request the specific materials they need when they need them and have them delivered right to their spot on the line. And all that information is displayed in a user-friendly dashboard. Take Niku, an assembly line operator, for instance. His job is to attach the electronic front panel to each washing machine. Previously, a forklift brought the electronic panels to his bench, stacked them in ESD boxes. he needed to call a colleague to help pick up the heavy boxes and carry them from the stack to his bench. Now he can use his tablet to request the panels, which are delivered just in time directly to his workbench via a rail-guided vehicle system. And by scanning the barcode of the electronic panel before assembly, he can check in real time if this is the right part for the current washing machine model. In one shot, this eliminates a health risk and enables Nicu to do a better job more quickly. In addition to improving productivity, the solution upholds Arctic's value of advancing employee empowerment, well-being and safety. The solution has helped Arctic to automate as much as 80% of its in-house logistic processes. The data flows to and from company and plant system mean that important production information and equipment are always available for employees. They no longer need to spend valuable time manually checking information or materials. Management can also view in real time production data to make efficient decisions. Since coming into existence, the plant has helped Arctic lower non-quality expenses, increase capacity utilization and automate low-value tasks, reducing operational costs by 11%. As a result, workers can focus more on the valuable tasks that help improve productivity, product quality, and profitability. The plant was designated as part of World Economic Forum Lighthouse Network in 2019, making it one of the most innovative modern plants in the world. Lighthouse Network factories are chosen for their leadership in applying the fourth industrial revolution technologies to drive financial and operational impact.
Thank you, Mihai.
Thank you, Marinel.
So the concept of Industry 3.0 is the ability to automate a process leveraging the compute functionality of industrial controls. On the other hand, Industry 4.0 is the automation of businesses by bridging the gap between a ERP and MES, the production shop floor machines. In Arctic Factory, we have all this in a working production environment. It's both a lighthouse of industry and an intelligent factory. The plan was designated as part of World Economic Forum Lighthouse Network, as you said before, making it one of the most innovative factories in the world. Turgay, what this achievement represents for Arctic and for your team?
This achievement represents for me and my team the leadership role of Arçelik digital manufacturing journey. Our team motto is design future of the manufacturing. This factory is the first in Arçelik Group with this automation and digitalization level. We experimented a lot of best practices and digital use cases in our garage facility, Atölye 4.0 in Turkey, which is just built to train and prepare Arçelik for the Industry 4.0 revolution. Using the power of headquarter IT, which is leading an overall digital transformation in the group, we realized not only the digitalization of manufacturing, also the integration with ERP systems and other corporate systems as well. Productivity and end-to-end integration were our topmost achievements as the IT organization in the group. So, this project was designed to increase collaboration within Arctic departments to accelerate the productivity. Together with Accenture, we were involved in all the phases of the construction, implementation, and integration. Now, this digital working methodology became a daily routine and created the emerging strategy for our core businesses and culture. Of course, we know that the journey we will continuously learn and improve ourselves as a team.
Yes, thank you. As I was saying even before, there is always room for improvement. There is always something new on the corner that a new technology will be out, and it's nice to see everything working together in such a way. This is my last question for this podcast. What are the major benefits you have seen in 1 year of operation for this intelligent factory?
Marinel, honestly speaking, the business results for this factory is a historical success for the group in the first year. These business results include quality, efficiency, and financial. Also, the success of this factory influenced the group already, and starting with the organization resource allocation process, the core structure began to change. Technically, we already covered most of the job to be done. Human error was almost eliminated. All the information is in one place and can be easily accessed from everywhere using a PC or a mobile device through web reports and dashboards where data is real-time. This helps us to minimize the downtime by taking fast decisions to solve the possible errors that might stop the production. Besides all these, this factory enables data analytic projects to have real-time relational and matrix data. As you may know, Arçelik has a vision that is based on serving the customers worldwide with environment-friendly, best quality, and fully connected products. Arctic Diamond Factory will play a very important role on Arçelik's product design process in that manner as well.
Thank you. So yeah, these were my questions for today, and I thank you so much for your time. And yeah, it's been a while since last time I visited the factory, but I hope that we see each other shortly, and yeah, we see how everything goes together in the future, and what improvements and what new technologies we'll see soon out there. Thank you so much, Turgay.
Thank you, Marinel. As I said, you have an open ticket, all Accenture, our team. So in the first day we go normal. In the first day you are invited, okay?
Yes, I will consider that for sure. Okay, thank you so much, and I wish you a great day.
Sure.